Hello, my name is Young-woo Kim, the CEO of KEIL Corporation, first full automated insect breeding company in South Korea. KEIL was established to face the problems of global protein consumption, land scarcity, food crisis, overfishing, and climate change. By 2050, there will be 10 billion people on the planet, and we need to double the global protein consumption. Industrial farming systems are not able to follow the demand in a sustainable way. Fish meal production leading to overfishing, soy meal production causing deforestation. Lastly, large amount of food is wasted along the value chain. In order to overcome the problems, KEIL found a solution through mealworms, which is considered as a superbug that can be grown in extremely high density with no sunlight. It is considered as an environmentally sustainable solution to malnutrition and food insecurity, as it possesses 56% protein, 33% fat, and have a complete amino acid. In terms of nutritional value, farming method and environmental impact, edible insects have far more advantages than traditional source of protein. Compared to livestock production, it takes far less water and feed to grow edible insect, while it takes 10 kilograms of feed to produce 1 kilogram of protein in traditional livestock production. It only takes 1 kilogram of feed to grow edible insect. For water consumption, it takes 16,000 liters for livestock production, whereas insect requires less than 100 liters of water, which means we can save water consumption at least 106 times. With this innovation, unique technologies in vertical extracting system, KEIL has successfully launched and commercialized fiber materials derived from mealworms, producing sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Materials for human, for pet, for livestock, for fishes, and fertilizers all made from mealworms. So, we have found the new sustainable protein source for human and species on the planet.
KEIL's Super POWORM Ozone Factory, Korea's largest insect breeding factory, has the production volume of 2,000 tons per year. With 2,000 tons production, KEIL already has become the biggest insect breeding company domestically. However, this production only meets 4.1% of the whole new compound feed market within the agricultural market in Korea. Korean government has banned the use of raw fish for feed and demands the use of edible insect into the compound feed, which the market requires 48,000 tons of production, which equals to $173 million market for only compound feed. So to scale up the production volume, KEIL has partnered up with government parties, industrial corporates, and local communities to embed vertical integration system model within the breeding operation value chain. KEIL will supply mealworms to contracted farms, and once the mealworms are fully grown, KEIL will buy them back to process them. Total breeding period will take up to only 70 days. Starting from late this year, KEIL will launch vertical integration system model starting from Chungcheongbuk-do and then expand to Jeollado and Jeju Island. And especially for Jeju Island, it will function as KEIL's second flagship smart factory, which is targeted to establish by end of 2022. With vertical integration model, KEIL expects to expand the production volume by 100,000 tons by 2025.
With KEIL's patent extraction technologies, KEIL is the first company in the world to succeed in vertically integrating and industrializing the production of more than 5 materials from a single insect. And by studying the characteristics of each materials, we have been able to expand their use in the cosmetics, food, livestock, pet, and fertilizer with the global companies. As one of the most innovative green bio company, we are very confident and excited to join the journey on creating pathways to the innovative and sustainable future.